Okay guys, I want to show you one of the latest group of options for our new center console. Obviously, this one's not complete yet. We're missing dual switch pros and the power window and door lock switches. But you see here is the charge pad. This customer opted for the soda lock and the longer armrest. But here's the cool part. When you open this, you see some new stuff. Oops, sorry, I was already locked. There you go. You've got your shock, support shock. You have your tray. You have your plastic insert with the ice chest drain. This piece, when you unscrew it with it has an O-ring on the bottom so that you can drain that ice when you're done. Just screw that back in. The other cool thing that you may not notice, gun safe. All integrated into the top itself, to the lid. So this is locked. That's one lock for your gun. Here's your second lock. And then when you lock your Bronco, it's 3 layers deep. So it's as secure as it can be in a mobile situation.